The two siblings. Once upon a time, there lived two siblings, Maria and Aya. They were very different from each other. Maria is kind and moody, while Aya is noisy and always angry. One day, their mother asked Aya and Maria to buy some vegetables. The sisters quickly went to the market. Aya instructed Maria to buy onions and garlic. Maria eagerly went to the stall and picked out what she thought was right. When she returned, Aya frowned. Maria had chosen the wrong vegetables. Aya raised her voice in frustration and scolded her younger sister, feeling sorry. Maria quietly went back to the stall and exchanged the vegetables. Once everything was settled, the sister returned home. Aya told their mother what had happened, but instead of being upset, their mother smiled gently. She understood that Maria was still young and bound to make mistakes. With patience and love, she let it pass, knowing Maria would learn in time.